How to block someone on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the profile of the user you want to block by searching their username or selecting them from your followers or following list. Once you are on their profile page, tap the three dots icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select the block option. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this user. Confirm your choice and the user will be blocked. They will no longer be able to interact with you, view your post or send messages. Blocking someone helps maintain a safe and comfortable environment on Bilibili. Now you know how to block someone on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.